Welcome to Tech Guru YouTube channel. Let's check out computer shortcut keys. First one is CTRL+A, select all. Next, CTRL+B, bold the text. Next one is CTRL+C, copy the text. Next one is CTRL+D, duplicate picture or shapes. Next one is CTRL+E, central alignment of paragraph. Next one is CTRL+F, find the text. Next, CTRL+G, group. Next one is CTRL+H, replace the text. Next, CTRL+I, italic the text. Next, CTRL+J, justify alignment of paragraph. Next, CTRL+K, hyperlink any files or folders. CTRL+L, left alignment of paragraph. Next, CTRL+M, new slide in PowerPoint presentation software. CTRL+N, new page in any software. Next one is CTRL+O, open any files in any software. CTRL+P, print any files in any software. CTRL+Q, close in DTP PageMaker software. Next, very important, CTRL+R, right alignment of paragraph. And next very important shortcut key is CTRL+S, save any files in any software. This is the shortcut key we use to save in any softwares. Next one is very important, CTRL+T, select pictures in Photoshop software. CTRL+U, underline the text. Next one is CTRL+V, paste any cut or copied files. Next one is CTRL+W, close window in Microsoft Office, Word and Microsoft Office softwares. Next one is CTRL+X, cut any files in computer. Next one shortcut key is CTRL+Y, this is used to redo. Next one is last but not the least, CTRL+Z, undo. This is used to undo the text or any works. Okay students, all these are shortcut keys of computer. Thanks for watching. Meet you in next video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel Tech Guru. Thank you.